happens if AI replaced humans? Artificial intelligence is already playing a major role in many industries, from manufacturing and transportation to healthcare and finance. But what if I could replace humans in these industries entirely? What would happen if our jobs were taken over by machines? In this video, we'll explore the potential consequences of a future where AI has replaced humans in the workforce. One potential consequence of widespread AI adoption is job displacement. As machines become increasingly capable of performing tasks that were once done by humans, many people could find themselves out of work. This could lead to a significant increase in unemployment, with many people struggling to find new jobs. Another consequence could be a significant shift in the distribution of wealth. If machines are doing all the work, then the profits generated by that work would go to the owners of the machines, rather than to the people who used to do the work. This could result in a growing gap between the rich and poor, with those who own the machines becoming increasingly wealthy, while those who do not are left behind. In addition to economic consequences, there could be social and psychological consequences as well. Work provides a sense of purpose and fulfillment for many people, and if machines are doing all the work, then many people could feel lost and purposeless. There could also be a sense of distrust or alienation between people and the machines that have replaced them. Conclusion: while the idea of machines replacing humans in the workforce may seem far-fetched, it's not entirely impossible. As AI technology continues to advance, it's important that we consider the potential consequences and take steps to mitigate any negative impacts. We must ensure that we're prepared for a future in which AI plays an even greater role in our lives, and that we're ready to adapt to the changes that come with it. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on the latest technology trends and their impact on our society.